So today we took a ride out to Epinal. It's our nearest big town to where we're staying, and it was an absolutely gorgeous ride to get there. I'm going to leave a lot of the footage unedited and just show you my front-facing camera most of the way to Epinal. I have chopped some bits out because it gets a little repetitive, but we saw lush farmland and forests and rivers, and eventually arrived in Epinal. Epinal is a very old town situated along the banks of the River Mosel. It's rich in culture and is a great base for hiking, walking and skiing. We had a wander around, found ourselves some food and an ice cream before heading home too stuffed to have an evening meal. For those more interested in the roads, I'm just going to let them play. Enjoy.